the Light Measurement Division here at International Light Technologies. Today we're going to talk about what is profiling and what are its benefits. Everybody's familiar with a handheld light measurement system that usually has an alphanumeric display and gives you readings like lux, lumens, watts, watts per centimeter square, and foot candles. The next level of radiometer takes your irradiance values and also gives you a feature called integration or dosage. This allows you to measure the total exposure. The formula for this would be your watts per centimeter square times your second is your total exposure. More advanced radiometers like our ILT 800 profiling radiometer also give you a graphical feature with a profile of the irradiance over time. So what is profiling and how does it help you out? So here's a system where you have 4 lamps that they're brand new and they're all emitting 100 milliwatts per centimeter square to give you your total of your 10,000 millijoules per centimeter square dosage. So with a quick view you can see your initial setup, everything looks great. You go back in 6 months later, you take another measurement. Now you can see you're still getting your 100 milliwatts per centimeter square peak, but your dosage is down 20%. And you can see that lamp 2 is now reading much lower. This could be caused by lamp output, it could be a problem with the power supply, it could be a problem with the reflector, but it lets you to go in and focus and look at lamp 2 rather than changing your integration times to extend them to try to make the system get your back up to the 10,000 and reduce the overall life of the other lamps. So in image 3 we have the lamp is increased in output from 140 to 140 milliwatts per centimeter square, even though our total dosage is still 10 millijoules per centimeter square. So what does this mean? This means lamp 1 is actually having a problem. It could be that the power supply or the ballast are overdriving this system. It also means that your 10,000 millijoules per centimeter square would make you think you're still getting the correct dosage, so everything could be fine. But because you're not achieving your 100 milliwatts per centimeter square peak, you may not be penetrating deep enough to cure thicker substrates. So this could also cause product failures. In our final image we have 100 milliwatts per centimeter square, and we're still getting our 10,000 millijoules per centimeter square. But as you can see, lamp number 2, the light is dispersed unevenly. So this would indicate that there's probably an error with going on in your reflector. It could mean that it's misaligned or out of focus. So this would be a fairly easy repair, and you can see the other lamps are still emitting pretty close to your 100 millijoules per centimeter square. So what is a profiling radiometer? It's still going to give you your radiance, it's going to give you your dosage, but again, it kicks it up a notch. It gives you the troubleshooting tools that you need to make instantaneous repairs on the fly and protect your product from product failure.